Hi kids, how are you? I hope you're okay. Today I'm going to explain you how to make a delicious chocolate coulant. These are the ingredients you need. 150 grams of dark chocolate, better if it's especially for desserts. 50 grams of butter, 3 eggs, 1 spoonful of flour, 80 grams of sugar, and some little pans to put the mixer. Before starting, you have to preheat the oven at 200 degrees. First of all, you have to melt 100 grams of chocolate with the butter in a pot. When you finish, beat the 3 eggs with the sugar. After that, add the chocolate and mix together. Then, put a spoonful of flour and mix again. Now it's time to put the mixer into the little pans and a piece of chocolate in the middle of each one. I recommend you to add 2 squares of chocolate. Then, you have to bake them for 10-12 minutes. And that's all. You'll get a perfect dessert for a perfect lunch. Enjoy your meal. Bye.